Another project that can add value to your home as well as square footage is a two-story addition. Now, most of the time a two-story addition can be the most economical way to add square footage to your home because you have only one foundation and one roof structure for both levels of living area. But the thing you need to consider anytime you're adding on to your home is to make sure you're not overbuilding for the neighborhood. Now, this particular neighborhood has held its value very well in a lot of sizable houses, so adding on to this house was a no-brainer. And the way we're doing it is to offset it a couple feet here, which adds a nice architectural line, and we'll carry the same wood siding right on around so that it blends in, and that's essential to any addition that you're building on. A couple other things to consider. First of all, you need to make sure the roof structure on your two-story addition ties in well, and you need to make sure that you have very graceful access from downstairs to upstairs. So the existing stairway in this house worked out perfectly.